If you're experiencing billing issues with Wells Fargo, it's important to address them promptly to avoid further complications. This guide outlines the steps you can take to resolve these problems effectively. Step 1. Review your statement. Check your billing statement carefully for any discrepancies. Look for unauthorized charges, incorrect amounts, or any transactions that you do not recognize. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect all relevant documents, including your billing statements, receipts, and any correspondence related to the billing issue. This information will be helpful when you contact customer service. Step 3. Contact customer service. Call Wells Fargo's customer service at the number provided on your billing statement. Be prepared to explain your issue clearly and provide the documentation you gathered. Step 4. Follow up in writing. If the issue is not resolved over the phone, follow up with a written complaint. Send a letter or email detailing your billing problem, including your account information and any supporting documents. Step 5. Escalate the issue. If you still do not receive a satisfactory response, consider escalating the issue. You can ask to speak with a supervisor or file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau (CFPB) for further assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve any billing problems you may encounter with Wells Fargo. Remember to keep records of all communications for your reference.